Express the following decimal numbers into P by Q form. First one is 3.127 bar. This problem is there. Express the following decimal numbers into P by Q form. So first one is 3.127 bar. This one change into P by Q form. So fractional form. So fractional form loki change cheyali. This is decimal form. Now solution is, listen here. Let x equals to 3.12777 gadgets. Why? Because 3.127 bar is there, 7 bar. 7 bar means 7 is going on here. 3.12777 it is going on. So this is the equation number 1. Now the periodicity is 1. Actually, the periodicity is 1. So then multiply the equation 1 by what? The periodicity is 1. Then multiply the equation 1 by 10. Periodicity is, if periodicity is 2, then multiply the equation by 100. If the periodicity is 3, then multiply the equation 1 by 1000. So here we have to multiply by the equation by what now? 10 by 10 both sides. Okay? Both sides. Now we will see here. 10 into x equals to 10 into 3.1277 dashes. Okay? So now 10x equals to actually, so we are multiplying by 10 here, 3 point decimal form, 3.12777. Now the decimal form change into next decimal form here, 31.2777 dashes. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 2. Now next what we do here, so this is the second equation, this one is first equation. So what we have to do, subtracting equation what now here, equation 2 minus 1, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Yes. So equation 2 is what here, 10x equals to 31.277 dashes. Now this is the second equation. Okay, na? First equation is x equals to 3 point decimal form. Where is we have to write which are decimals here. Okay, na? 3.1277 dashes. Now subtracting means minus. Okay, na? So right side 7 minus 7 0. 7 minus 7 0. 7 minus 2 5. 2 minus 1 1. Point is there. So 31 minus 3 here. Okay, na? 1 minus 3 8. 28.1500. So now 10x minus x. How much? 9x. Okay, no? 9x equals to 28.1500. Now 9x equals to, we can write 28.15. So 0 is, this is not value. Okay, no? Now 9x equals to, if we remove the decimal point, so 2815 by point decimal after 2 digits are there. Therefore, we have to take 2 zeros means 100 by 100 by 100. Okay, 9x equals to 2815 by 100. Now next, x equals to 2815 by 100. So this is 1 by 9. X equals to 2815 by 900. So if we simplify this one, 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 5 16. So any able to go here. So last digit is here 5, here 0. We have to cancel with what now? 5. Okay, now see 5 1s are 5. 4 remaining. 5 8s are 40. Okay, 0. Next 5 5s are 25. 3 remaining 31. 5 6s are 30. Okay, again 5 3s are 50. Now any table to go in here. 563. So 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So 1 plus 8, 9. So these two numbers are not divisible by 3 or 9 also. So now answer is the 563 by 180. Now x equals to 563 by 180. Okay. Now therefore the fraction form, this is the fraction form, p by 2 form. Therefore 3.127 bar equals to 563 by 180. This is the answer. Okay, understood? Right. Note down.
Start.
Okay.
Start.
Okay, children. Note down this problem.